What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a bunch of unboxing videos and I'm finally in the last unboxing video of the day. Woohoo! Right now I'm doing the final unboxing video, which is unboxing a bunch of Elixir fragrances. My three top fragrances of dupes that I have are fragrances that dupe Gaultier, fragrances that dupe Elixir, and fragrances that dupe Baccarat 540. Those are the ones that I have the most dupes of. So I decided to do one more little roundup of Elixir dupes, like Jean Paul Gaultier Elixir dupes, and just get more of them, and then finally do a massive dupe down, which is the one to rule them all. So I wanted to show you a couple more of those, and then finally I'm done with this. This is just going to be an unboxing. This is not going to be a comparison. This is going to be an unboxing of it, a quick sniff, a second sniff possibly, and then that's it. Later down the line, I'm probably going to do a formal dupe down, but as it is, we're just doing a simple sniff and move on, okay? So let's start with the OG. Let's start with the OG, which is Jean Paul Gaultier's Le Male Elixir. So we are removing that, and we have the little bondage man right here. So, boop, taking that out. And that's Mr. Man right there. Remove his little collar, his little bondage collar. And there we have it. There we have Jean Paul Gaultier Le Male Elixir fragrance. Let's do a quick spray of this one. I already have a sample of this. I'm just doing a quick spray just for the sake of this video. Yep, sweet, very nice. It's very classic. It's a very classic smell. It smells very reminiscent of something I used to have in the past. I think I had this fragrance in the past, or at least I had one of them. I think I had the original Le Male. This smells not like that, but I get the vibe. I'm surprised this smells a little, the lavender is a little stronger than I expected on this one. Like, I'm getting the lavender pretty quickly. It's giving soapy vibes, but it's nice. I like it. So I'm gonna let that rest for a little bit. Next one, I'm going for Urban Man Elixir by Fragrance World. Again, I'm not doing comparisons. I'm just doing a quick check and move on, okay? So Urban Man, something was jingly jangling. Oh, this also had a shame collar that fell off. So this had like a little shame collar around the neck, and apparently it fell off and was jingly jangling around. So Urban Man Elixir, interesting. It smells just like the other one. I would say this one might be a little sweeter, not as soapy on the, not as lavendery on the onset, but interesting. I like that a lot. Next one is Tribal Gold by Grandeur Elite. And this one is the ugliest bottle of them all. So that's what that looks like. That is a fugly bottle. This one smells the least like the original. This one smells like sweet, but not that sweet lavendery. This smells like more generically sweet, like fruity sweet. Maybe more vanilla. Not more vanilla. This is giving vanilla. It's giving vanilla sweetness. It's good. I like it, but it's not necessarily what you want in a dupe of JPG Elixir. And then the last one for these dupes is Hawas Elixir. Again, I'm just going through these quickly. Don't expect an in-depth comparison because that's not what I'm doing. So Hawas Elixir, that is super reflective. Do not look at my background. You can just see the camera. Boom. This one smells so interesting. This one reminds me a lot of Lionheart. So like more tobacco-y in the start, more aggressive. Like it's a sharper note. It's a more aggressive tobacco-y note. It's fascinating. So I'm gonna start over from the beginning. The original is like soft, sweet. That lavender is definitely there. It's giving like sweet, soapy vibes. The tobacco is definitely a little bit there, but it's somewhere in the background. Is the tobacco a very prominent note? Let me see. Le Male Elixir. So the tobacco is a base note. I never get the mint from any of these, but Yeah, the lavender is definitely there. The vanilla is definitely there. The tobacco is definitely there. But the tobacco is very soft in the background. The star here is the lavender. Tribal is very similar. Urban Man, I'm sorry. Urban Man is very similar. Like very, very similar. Very sweet, very lavendery, very soapy, and there's like a under hint of tobacco. Thanks for playing. That's all I'm getting. This is just a participation trophy. Very sweet, no tobacco, almost no lavender, just sweet. Smells good. I like it, just not what you're going for. And this one's the most interesting. This one smells the best out of all of them. Better than the original. Tobacco is more prominent, smells smokier, smells more deep. So I like it even more than the OG. This was really good. I like this one a lot. That's my thoughts, guys. I'll do a more in-depth thing, a wear time test. So because a lot of these change and dry down, like an official dry down, all these change. Usually my impression of these is that when I get a lot of dupes, they start out different and then they dry down the same, or they start the same and then dry down differently. To be able to get a good gauge of this, I would need to do wear time of a full day or 2 days to be able to give you a good indication of whether these are good dupes or not. This is not a good way to tell you if it's a good dupe. A good dupe won't be the first 10 seconds. As it is, these are all good. The only one that I'm not sold by at all is the Grandeur one. Grandeur, whatever. Tribal. It smells good. I like it. But it's not even trying. Are you interested in a massive dupe down? How do you think I should approach it? I thought about making a lot of people smell all the different dupes I have and giving like a rating system. I don't know. I'm still mulling it over. Like, what's the best way to do this? Give me your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Remember that sense is subjective. What I like isn't necessarily what you like. And always remember to smell your best. See ya.